Hello everyone. Today I'm going to try quilting on this video. First thing I need to do is pick out my thimble. I've gone through quite a few. This one is my favorite. And the reason I like it is because it fits my fingernail. This quilt that I'm working on right now, of course it's hand pieced and hand quilted. This is the front, this is the back. I did baste it before I started quilting it. I did not ever put it on a frame to quilt it, just because it's not a really large quilt and I carry this one around and I work on it when I go places. I know usually you put a knot in the thread and then you tug it and you pull it through the fabric to hide the knot. I do my knot hiding a little bit differently. Because this is hand pieced, I can actually put it between the stitches. Then I'll aim my needle where I want it to go. And then I'll pull and just tug my knot through. Oops, I think I've knotted both ends of my thread. That might be a first. Yep, I have a knot on both ends. So I'm just gonna cut one end. Because you know, when I quilt, I only quilt with one thread. Okay, so the knot is here and that's the tail of this thread. I am using quilting thread. And basically what I do is I go to the back and I can feel it on my finger in the back. And once I feel it on my finger in the back, then I will push through. I use my thimble to help. I may have made my thread a little bit too long, but that's okay. Probably you will mark your quilt pattern with something that will disappear or wash out. I'm just eyeballing this one. Now if I get my stitches bigger than I want, I'm just gonna take it out and redo it. Once again, the thing that you're looking for is not necessarily the size of the stitch, but the consistency of the stitch so that they look the same when you are done. I can probably do one more on here. And I'll use my thimble and just pull it through. And then I'll just keep going and I'm making sure that it's actually poking my finger on the back of the quilt, and that's how I know I'm getting it all the way through the top and the batting. Please let me know if you have any questions about this hand quilting process or if there's any other topics that you would like for me to cover in the future. If you do like this video, please hit like. And if you'd like to see other videos that I make in the future, please go ahead and subscribe. I do appreciate you. Thanks and have a wonderful day.